It's the holiday season, and this is a great idea for a delicious side dish. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making stovetop sauteed Brussels sprouts with bacon. Yum! Stay tuned. I made a Thanksgiving chicken dinner, and one of the side dishes was sauteed Brussels sprouts with bacon. I will leave a link here and in the show more section below for the Thanksgiving chicken video recipe. Also, please check out my holiday playlist, and you will see lots of great recipes and ideas for the holiday table. I'm starting by frying some bacon. I'm using beef bacon, but you can use the bacon of your choice. I'm just frying until crisp, draining, and then crumbling into pieces. Just a reminder that I will leave the recipe and the list of ingredients for this sauteed Brussels sprouts with bacon below this video. Also remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video recipe, and click the bell to make sure you receive notification of all my future video recipes. I have the bacon fat and great flavor on the bottom of the pan. I have my heat at a medium, and I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of butter and a cup of diced onions. Cooking and stirring for a couple minutes, and this will help deglaze the pan. This is a pound of Brussels sprouts that I cleaned and then halved and quartered. I got these at our local farm market, but Brussels sprouts are in season and readily available at most grocery stores. Brussels sprouts are a part of the cabbage family and are high in fiber and antioxidants. I'm adding in a little salt and black pepper and giving that a good stir to combine. Next is one diced apple, and this will add a burst of natural sweetness. I'm using a Fuji apple, but you can use any sweet and firm apple. You want an apple firm enough to hold up in the cooking. I've also used Granny Smith apples in this recipe, and they are really good. Cooking and stirring for 7 to 10 minutes or until the sprouts and apple become tender. Finally, I'm adding the crumbled bacon back into the pan and giving it a good stir. Cooking for about a minute just to heat the bacon and bring everything together. These Brussels sprouts are great as they are, but if you want to take it to the next level, you can top with some nuts, dried cranberries, or feta or blue cheese crumbles. This is such a simple and quick and delicious side dish. By sauteing the Brussels sprouts, the sprouts become tender and caramelized and delicious. Paired with the saltiness of the bacon and the sweetness of the apple, this Brussels sprout side dish is a winner. You can serve this side dish with any meal, but it is great and popular during the holiday season and would look great on the holiday tablescape. I hope you give this stovetop Brussels sprouts with bacon side dish a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!